Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, the channel where passion meets performance and we explore the engineering, legacy, and evolution of iconic motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about releases of the year, the 2025 Harley Davidson Flathead. A machine that bridges the rich heritage of the past with the raw energy of modern innovation. A legacy reborn. Harley Davidson's Flathead engine design first rolled out in the 1920s, becoming a cornerstone of American motorcycling history. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and distinctive look, the Flathead engine helped shape the brand's identity. With the 2025 model, Harley Davidson has brought back this legendary name, not just as a nostalgic nod, but as a powerful reinterpretation for a new generation of riders. Design philosophy. The 2025 Flathead carries a bold, muscular stance with low-slung lines that harken back to vintage bobbers. It features retro-inspired fenders, a solo saddle, and minimalist detailing, yet is packed with modern finishes, including LED lighting, a fully digital instrument cluster, and premium matte or chrome trim options. Harley's designers have successfully fused yesterday's silhouette with today's refinement. Engine and performance. Let's talk about the engine, the beating heart of this beast. While the name Flathead references Harley's historic side valve motor, the 2025 version uses a modern 114 cubic inch V-twin, tuned for low-end torque and smooth cruising. With approximately 95 horsepower and over 120 lb-ft of torque, this Flathead delivers punchy acceleration and a deep, satisfying rumble, thanks to a custom-tuned exhaust system that stays true to Harley's signature sound. Technology and ride enhancements. Unlike its vintage ancestors, the 2025 Flathead is loaded with modern tech. It includes ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS. The suspension system features Showa forks up front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, ensuring a stable, confident ride on highways and city streets alike. Cruise control and keyless ignition add convenience, while a 5-inch TFT display offers Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and real-time diagnostics. Frame and handling. Built on a lightweight steel trellis frame, the Flathead feels more agile than its looks suggest. It's tailored for riders who enjoy long, laid-back journeys without sacrificing maneuverability. Whether cruising coastal roads or navigating tight corners, the Flathead responds with predictable, composed behavior, a testament to Harley's refined chassis engineering. Customization and culture. Harley Davidson has also leaned into its roots by offering a wide range of genuine parts and accessories for the 2025 Flathead. From ape hanger handlebars to vintage-style saddlebags and custom paint kits, the possibilities for personalization are endless. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a canvas for self-expression, connecting riders with the brand's deep cultural heritage. Price and market position. With a starting price hovering around $19,000, the 2025 Flathead is aimed at riders who value both style and substance. It sits between Harley's Sportster S and Softail models, offering a sweet spot of retro styling and modern performance. It's ideal for experienced riders looking for a unique blend of nostalgia and new-age engineering. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Flathead isn't just a revival, it's a reimagination. It captures the rebellious spirit and mechanical simplicity of the original Flathead while embracing the comfort and tech expectations of today's riders. For those who want to ride a piece of history with modern muscle, this motorcycle is a compelling choice. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews, insights, and updates. Ride safe, and keep the legend alive.